Welcome to Python for Absolute Beginners Complete Crash Course. Python is the most popular programming language in the world. In the next 30 minutes, you will write real, working code, even if you have never programmed before. Project, a working command line contact book that stores, retrieves, and deletes contacts. Why Python and what you will build? Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. It is used by Google, Instagram, Netflix, NASA, and Dropbox. Its design philosophy: code should read like plain English. Today we build a command line contact book. By the end you will understand variables, data types, user input, loops, conditionals, functions, and dictionaries. Installation and setup. Download Python from python.org. Choose the latest stable version. On Windows, check Add Python to Path during installation. Verify in Terminal. Python version. Install VS Code and the Python extension. Create contact_book.py. Variables and data types. A variable is a named container. Python creates it with a simple assignment. Name equals Alice. Age equals 28. Height equals 5.6. Is _ student equals true. For primary types: string, text, integer, whole number, float, decimal, boolean, true/false. Print, name, Alice. Print type, name, class str. Tip: use descriptive variable names. User _name is better than in. Code is read far more than it is written. Strings in depth. First equals John. Last equals Doe. Full equals first plus last. F strings are the modern way to embed variables. Greeting equals F hello first. Age. Print greeting. Useful string methods. Text equals hello world. Print text.strip. Print text.lower hello world. Print text.upper hashtag hello world. Print text.replace world Python. Apple banana split comma hashtag apple banana. User input and type conversion. Name equals input, enter your name. Print F hello name. Note: input always returns a string. Convert to a number when needed. Age _str equals input, enter your age. Age equals int, age _str. Print F. Next year you'll be age +1. Conditionals. Temp equals int, input, temperature in C. If temp greater than 30. Print hot outside. If temp greater than 15. Print warm. If temp 5. Print cool. Else Print cold. Comparison operators. Equals equals. Equals squinting eyes face. Equals equals logical and or not. If age greater than or equal to 18 and has underscore ID. Print access granted. Lists. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. Print fruits row apple. Print fruits dash 1. Cherry, last item. Print fruits 1:3. Banana, cherry. Fruits.append, date. Fruits.insert 1, avocado. Fruits.remove, banana. Print len fruits. Loops. For fruit in fruits. Print F. I like fruit. Fry in range 5. Print I 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count equals 0. While count 5. Print F count. Count. Count plus equals 1. Tip. Break exits a loop early. Continue skips to the next iteration. Dictionaries. Contact equals. Name Alice. Phone 555-010. Email alice@example.com. Print contact name. Contact city equals Nairobi. Del contact city. For key. Value in contact.items. Print F key value. Functions. Def greet. Name. Greeting equals hello. Return F greeting. Name. Print greet Bob. Print greet Carol. Good morning. Contact book project. Putting everything together into a complete, working contact book application. Contacts equals. Def add underscore contact. Name equals input name. Phone equals input phone. Email equals input email. Contacts name equals phone. Phone email. Email. Print F contact name added. Def view underscore contact. Name equals input name to look up. If name and contacts. Info equals contacts name. Print F phone. Info. Print F email. Info email. Else. Print contact not found. Def list underscore contacts. If not contacts. Print no contacts saved. For n, info and contacts.items. Print F info phone. While true. Print \n1 add 2.view3.list4 quit. Choice equals input, choice. If choice equals 1, add underscore contact. elif choice equals 2. View underscore contact. elif choice equals 3. List underscore contacts. elif choice equals 4. Break. Else print invalid choice. Visual. Run the complete program live. Demonstrate adding, viewing, listing contacts. Tip. Next step. Save contacts to a JSON file using Python's JSON module so data persists between sessions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.